Okay na, boss.
All 6 lang ah. 3 points by Borja. Parang si Bat yun. Bihira. Puti, hindi pang buzzer beater. Hindi. 6-9. 6-9 po tayo. 6-9. Lamang na po ng 5 team Black Sheep. Martin to De La Cruz, ang ganda ng screen pero blanca ni Basuel. Nagmamadali, parang may utang na sisingilin. Okay. Okay, wait. Wait lang. Wait lang, traveling. Ano nangyari ba?
Patawag ng Paul eh.
Kaya siya umano. Okay, palabas muna ng bola. Okay. Okay, game. 4 minutes, 5 seconds, 14 to shoot. Wala po tayong first ball, ha? Wala tayong first ball. Munti ka na, akala ko unang putol. Nice rebound by Gaa. Gaa. Nag-shake and munti ka na. Rebound by Martin. Martin, mukhang ide-diretso. Martin, no good. Grabe. Dalawa nakaabang sa outlet. Score 6-13. Lamang ng 7. Nice hustle by Gaa. Gaa to score. Mga 2 points. Score 6-15. Siyam na po. Okay, foul daw, foul. No good by Martin. Oras 2 minutes, 55 seconds. Huwag po kayong matetens. May second quarter pa. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, no good. Medyo inaalat po ang team Jobs. Lumipad. 2 points by Borja. Score 6-17. Two points by Jobs. 18-17. Time out. Wait lang. Time out. Time out muna daw. Time out. Tumawag muna si Sean bago pa nagkaroon ng steal. Score 8-17. Isa na lang po time out ng Team Black Sheep. Oras 2 minutes 10 seconds. Score 8-17 in favor of Team Black Sheep.
Nakakis ko sa fast break sa inyo. Dalawa niya yung Martin.
Okay, back to the ball game. Bola po ng Black Sheep. Palabas na lang po. 2 minutes, 10 seconds, 14 to shoot. to Robert. Robert pinasa kay Gaa. Gaa. Tumira ng 3. No good. Okay, last touch by number 0. No good by Kirby. Wow! Grabe, nandun para may tagalinis. 8-19. CM 2 points, score 10-19. Baka yan ang hinihintay nyo, hindi nyo lang nakikita. Steal by Jobs. Nice screen by CM. 12-19. Biglang na open lane. Ang ganda ng screen ni Sir CM. Robert, ang ganda ng pasa mo. Pero, rebound by CM. Mukhang difference maker si Sir CM. Okay. Okay, Kuda, walang tawag ha. Walang tawag. 2 points by Gaa. 12-21. Okay, game ha. Last 40 seconds. CM. No good. Okay. Nakuha ni number 0. Lumipad. 2 points. 12-23. Last 28. To De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Okay, good daw. Walang tawag. Last 20 seconds. Grabe, fast break ang pumapatay. 16.3 seconds. 16. Wait lang po. 25 na po. 16.25. Last 10 seconds. 8 seconds. O, fall down. 2.7 seconds. 2.7 seconds. 2.7 seconds. Okay. Sino yung una nakakuha kanina ng bola? Sila. O, inyo bola dito. 12-25. Pass break lang dumali sa inyo. Hindi makapass. Tapos yung...
Balik tayo naman sa isa. Dalawa tayo sa CN. Bago kami. Tapos yung dalawa pa rin sa ilalim.
Remind ko lang, isa na ang timeout ng Team Black Sheep. Dalawa pa sa Team Joiners. Dito bola ha, dito. Back to the ball game. Dito po bola ha. Bossing, wait lang. Change court na po tayo. Change court na. Bola po ng Team Jobs.
Tayo po sa
Robert, no good. Rebound by 2 points by Basuel. Score 27-12. Oras 7 minutes 35 seconds. Okay, foul daw ha, foul. Minamalas po ang Team Jobs. Buti na lang. Malakas ang layup ni number 0. Two points by Jobs. Grabe, binabayaran talaga laro nun eh. 27-14. Three points by Robert. 30-14. Hindi po talaga alam kung kailang mag-shoot si Robert. Ten seconds. Rebound by Jobs. Jobs, no good. 2 points by CM. Nice tip in. Ang laki na talaga ng improvement ni Sir CM. Good, good. Good, good. Okay, foul daw, foul. Foul daw, foul. Foul. Foul ang rinig ko eh. Oo nga. Foul ang rinig ko. Martin, no good. Okay. 30-18. Ang hihintayin kong tawag, foul ha. Oh, para maging fair ha. Robert, 10 seconds to shoot. Nakita si number 0. Pumake, pinasa kayo. Baswell, nice fake. 4 seconds. Robert, 3 points. 33-18. 33-18. Two points. Score 35-18. Two points by Jobs. 35-20. 15 po ang hinahabol. Both teams. Baswell, no good. Rebound by De La Cruz. Last 4 minutes. Compose lang kayo, Team Jobs. Kaya pa yan. Last touch by Borja. 17. De La Cruz, 2 points. Score 35-22. 3 minutes, 35 seconds, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 points. Counted yun ha, counted. (38-24). Last 3 minutes. Grabe, nakakadalawang tres na po si Borja. Bihirang-bihira yun. 12 seconds to shoot. Borja. Two points. 38-26, 12. Good daw, good. Oh. Sabi ni Justin, ha? Good yun. Good yun. Okay, foul. 2 points. 38-28. 10 na lang po. 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Baswell, no good. Nakuha ni Gaa, Gaa, easy good. 40-28. Masyadong dikit. Mukhang eto pa lang ang pinakamay malaking lamang. If ever. CM. CM, 2 points. 40-30. 1 minute, 40 seconds. Last 10. 10 to shoot. Okay, good 1 minute, 25 seconds. Okay, good. Walang tawag si Jax. Grabe naman yun. 42-30. 1 minute, 14 seconds. Okay, good daw. Okay. Foul muna. Free throw, dalawa. Swerte ka, sumakto sa uno. Saktong 1 minute. Okay, first shot by Justine. It's good. 43-30. Last shot. It's good. Mukhang gumaganda ang improvement sa free throw line ni Justine. Martin. Hinahanap si Japs. Japs tumira. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, 3 points. 44.8 seconds. Last 38 seconds. Grabe, kala ko dagger 3. Nice rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz mukhang idediretso De La Cruz. Rebound by Japs. Oh. Sige, bigay nyo na.
Tumunog. Patayin na mo.
Paano na lang prepare? Sabihin mo, Pao. Okay. 44-33. Free throw, dalawa. May foul. First shot is good. 44-34.
Disconnected.
No good. 16 seconds. Last 16 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Okay, game ball.